Welcome back. It's going to cost you a lot more to get from here to there. Gas prices spiked today, going from around $2.98 a gallon up to $3.20 a gallon in some places. And the problem here is that by spring, we may be thinking that $3.20 a gallon looks really good. Joining us right now is our gas price guru from GasBuddy.com and petroleum analyst Patrick DeHaan. You've been looking at the prices here, and you're thinking that $3.20 a gallon is just a starting point. Now we could see what, $4 a gallon?
Yeah, you know, it's certainly not looking very pretty out there. Even back in 2007 and 2008, when prices skyrocketed up to $4 a gallon, prices were lower back then at this time of year. And so here we are, 2010 starting 2011 on a bad foot. Prices already, as you said, $3.20 a gallon. We could see prices continue to climb as the economy improves, and by spring we could be looking at pump prices well over $4 a gallon, possibly even setting new price records.
Yeah, and this has you kind of worried a little bit.
It certainly does. You know, it certainly could slow down the economy if things continue to rise. There's really no stopping it right now. Demand continues to increase versus year-ago levels. The supply continues to drop. The economy is improving not only here but China. We're seeing a lot of oil demand growth in this time, and so it's rising very quickly. And you know, there's really no stopping it at this point.
That's really kind of frightening, really shocking to a lot of people. They think that we might have prices like that again, because a lot of us were hoping that wasn't going to come back around for quite some time, but maybe it will. Here's the thing, though. How do you change that? How do you keep that from happening or stop it again?
Well, you know, there's a few things people can do out there to stop the increases. And first of all, you know, if everybody were to decrease their demand, obviously, if everybody would spend, you know, 15 minutes or a half hour less driving every week, that really can add up. And that would make demand drop. And in turn, investors would get very concerned and prices would back down. The only other thing we can do besides drive slower and lower demand is get politicians to enact limits on speculation. A lot of speculators pour into the market hoping to make a quick buck, and a lot of times when that happens, it pressures prices upward. And so if we remove that speculation, we remove some of that pressure on prices to move higher. And you know, if there was no speculation in prices, we could see oil between 65 and 75 a barrel today instead of the current $91 a barrel.
Or more, basically.
That's right.
Let's talk, you guys have an application now. This is one way that we could look at prices and maybe be able to save a few dollars.
That's certainly true. GasBuddy offers a free app for iPhone and Android users, and also BlackBerry users coming soon. Just download the app to your phone, and in times like this, there are still some stations out there that are selling gas for just $2.83 at Sam's Club. Obviously, you have to take advantage of that very quickly. Other stations, $3.20. The app will point out where the cheapest gas is. It's very simple to use, and you can even report gas prices to let other people know when gas prices have spiked near you.
So you can use that if you have an Android or an iPhone.
That's correct, and like I said, we're developing it for the BlackBerry users as well, completely free to use, and you know, it's just one of those gas-saving things that's really easy to do. You're in your car at a stoplight. If you need gas, there you go. The app will tell you where to get it cheapest.
And patronize the cheapest stations out there.
Exactly.
Because you're probably going to need it here coming up soon if gas is going to hit that $4 mark.
That's certainly true. You know, every penny will help, and with gas that will could easily approach new records, having a way to fight back is one of the best things to do.
All right. Thank you so much. Patrick DeHaan with GasBuddy.com. We appreciate your time, Patrick.
You bet.